So Mitchell brought up in the Discord that he liked the black and whites on the Remove better than on the Note Air 4C. Why, Mitchell? I don't think you went into that in the Discord, but what's that all about? I personally love the black and white. Well, I mean, the contrast, right, is better on the Remove than on the Note Air 4C. But is it a contrast thing, Mitchell? Mitchell says Kaleido is so dark without front light. So it is a contrast thing for you, Mitchell, the black and whites. I don't like using front light unless I'm in a dark room. Agree with you. I never use front light on eInk devices. That's like absolutely have to. Dark room. I don't use front light to add contrast during the day. No. If I got to do that, I don't like using the device. I agree with you, Mitchell, on that. CJ says I gave him Kaleido 3. I tried. I really didn't like it. Listen, CJ, how do you feel about the Remarkable Paper Pro and the Remove? I've said it's the best screen in eInk here on this live a few times, and I'm not going back on that. That is the truth. It is the best screen in eInk right now. I don't know what they did to this gallery technology, but it ain't the same gallery that's in the Remarkable Paper Pro. They made improvements to it. Colors, blacks, brightness, everything across the board is improved. It's not just one area. I think gallery is the way to go. Absolutely, CJ. Since I've been using this Remove, I'm convinced the gallery is the way forward. I was only on the fence about gallery and Kaleido, gallery 3 and Kaleido 3. I was a Kaleido fanboy because I was like, I don't like the flickering. Okay, I can't do the flickering. And I was like, the yellowing of the screen and how dark it is compared to Note Air 4C. I mean, or how discolored it is compared to Note Air 4C. I'm like, I don't want no parts of it. The Remove fixed every problem I had with the Remarkable Paper Pro's screen.